Take a look at this Instagram account. It has 1.2 million followers and it only posts extremely cute animal reels like these. You can see all their videos get a crazy amount of views, and all they do is generate AI images of cute animals and turn them into videos like this. Now you might be wondering how these accounts are making money. Let me explain. If you go to their bio section, you'll see a link that redirects users to a website. This is where they earn money by selling various items. You can see they sell high quality, cute animal wallpapers, and believe it or not, many people buy wallpapers like these. Additionally, they offer membership plans with various perks, and they have an option for visitors to leave tips. Apart from all this, you can also earn by selling posters, frames, merchandise, and other creative items. Now, in the beginning, I would suggest you to not focus on money. First, try to build a good follower base. And once you have gained a certain number of followers, then you can think of different ways to monetize. Trust me, having a good follower base like 1.2 million followers is a great thing to have. That's 1.2 million potential customers for any product or service you want to promote. Now, Meta might or might not monetize these videos, but you can't rely solely on that. You need to constantly find new ways to generate income. And with a large follower base like this, it becomes much easier. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create cute animal videos like this. I'll explain every single step in detail, so make sure you pay attention and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I create some of the best AI tutorials in the game. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. We will do this in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, generating images. Now, these accounts probably use Midjourney to generate the images, but as we all know, Midjourney is not free. So we will be generating the images using Flux 1.1 Pro. Honestly, this is the only AI image generator that provides Midjourney level quality right now, and in some cases, it even performs better than Midjourney, and the best part is you can use it for free. Now, there are various platforms where you can generate images using Flux 1.1 Pro, and for this video, we'll be using Segmind. To get started, just click on the link in the description, then sign up using your email ID. After that, they will give you $1 of credit to generate images, which is more than enough to generate the images we need. Now, this is the interface to generate the images. You can see that it's pretty simple. This is the prompt section where I will enter this prompt. Don't worry. I will put the prompt in the description for you to use. Next, click on advanced parameters, then change the aspect ratio to 9:16 from here, then set the output quality to 100. After that, you don't need to adjust anything else. Just click on generate and let the AI do its magic. And here is the output. You can see how awesome this image looks. It's really high quality. Just look at the details in the finger, and the tiger looks very real and cute. Honestly, if you showed this image to someone, they wouldn't even recognize that it was AI generated. Now let's try one more. This time I'm going to change the animal to a lion instead of a tiger and hit generate. And here's the output. This is absolutely amazing. Trust me, you won't be able to generate images like this for free anywhere else. Step 2, generating videos. This is the most important part because if you can create great videos, your chances of going viral are much higher. To turn the images into videos, we will use a free tool called Minimax AI. It is hands down the best AI video generator I've ever used. I've already made a very detailed tutorial on how to use this tool to create amazing videos, so feel free to check that out. To get started, just click the link in the description and sign up with your email ID. After signing up, you will get 3 days of unlimited free video generation. After that, there will be some limits, but it will still be free. Now, to generate the video, first upload the image that we generated by clicking here, then enter a prompt. I'll give it a simple prompt like this and hit generate. And this is the output. Just look at the result. It looks amazing. Trust me, you won't get results like this from any other AI video generator, and I have used all of them. This is so amazing. It actually feels like a real video captured with a high quality camera. You can queue up to 3 tasks to speed up the process. I know the generator might be a bit slow due to high demand, but hey, it's free, so no complaints. And if you want faster results without watermarks, you can consider purchasing their subscription. I will honestly buy a subscription for this because this is too good. Step 3, editing. Now, this part is completely optional, but if you want to maximize your chances of going viral, you can edit your videos a little bit to make them more appealing. For editing, we'll use Capcut because it's free and easy to use. If you're in India, you can use Proton VPN, which is free for life, to access Capcut. I'll put the link in the description. First, open Capcut and import the video clip here, then drag and drop it into the timeline. Now, the first thing I'd like to do is add a small watermark so that even if someone uses the video, my account name will show. It's also good for branding. To do that, go to the text tab and add a text layer to the timeline, then adjust the length to fit the entire video. Next, write the name of your account here like this. Then you can select the font you like from here. As you can see, there are multiple options available. Next, just adjust the size and position of the watermark. Then go to the blend section from here and turn down the opacity a little bit, but not too much. Next, let's add a filter to make it look more appealing. To do that, go to the filters tab and choose a filter you want. I'm going to use this one, so I'll just drag and drop it into the timeline and adjust its length to fit the entire video. You can change the filter intensity from here according to your liking. Now I'll be adding this audio that I downloaded from the YouTube music library. I've added a random music track here to avoid copyright issues, but you can skip this step and choose a trending music track when uploading on Instagram. Now to export the video, click on the export button and you're done. Now let's play it to see the final result. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? I was able to create this within a few minutes with so little effort. Now imagine the kind of content you can create with a bit more effort and creativity. Now let me show you a few ways to earn money from uploading videos without monetization. First, you can use Amazon affiliate links. Simply become an Amazon affiliate, then promote products in your video description and earn a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through your link. Another option is to sell posters, frames, and merch. You can take orders through WhatsApp or Instagram DMs and fulfill those orders using services like Quick or Printrove. This way you can turn your creative content into physical products that people can buy. And remember, one video alone cannot change everything. You need to be consistent with your uploads, and you should have patience. If you follow these two things, then I'm 100% sure you'll see success. Otherwise, it will all remain a dream. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.